Hey, what's up, America? Everybody's on the videos talking about doing 100 push-ups a day, but there's no real way of telling if they're actually doing 100 push-ups a day. And it can be done, but not right off the start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do 100 push-ups a day, and how I'm going to prove that I'm doing 100 push-ups a day is I'm going to record my phone screen, do a shot of that, then we're going to do the push-ups. But this is the key. You're not going to do all the push-ups at one time. What we're going to do for starters is just do 10 push-ups an hour. Now you can do more if you want to. That'll cut it down less, but that's 10 hours to do 100 push-ups, 10 an hour. So the more you do an hour, the more you can get in. If you do 20 push-ups an hour, that's 5 hours. So 25, that's 4 hours. You're strong if you can do that. I can do it, but for starters, I'm going to show you guys how to get that 100 in. I hope you can do 100. I'm sorry. I hope you can do 10 an hour. Welcome to Head Savages workout. Okay, now, so here we go. Now, being that this is going to be a 10-hour span, you got to be ready to do them 10 push-ups wherever you at. And I don't have to be the drop of the dime, but wherever you at, when that next hour come, you got to be ready to do those 10 push-ups. So here we go. I'm going to give you my screenshot. Then we're going to get started. Okay, now you see the time here is 7:50. The date is March 4th. All right, let's get ready. All right, now here we go. And to let you know that I'm not using the same clip over and over, what I'll probably do is just count what set we're on as we go. So here goes number one. Keep your body straight. If you're a woman, you may use your knees if you want, but if you're a man, well, I'm not going to even make it a gender thing. Just do what's easy for you. Knees if you want to start off, but we're going to start off on our toes. Go down to our chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's number one. All right, people, the time now is 8:50, and you see it's Wednesday, March 4th still. It's time to get started for round two. Round two, Wednesday, March 4th, 8:50. 8, 9, 10. And another thing I forgot to mention, you don't have to do them hours back to back, just as long as you get 10 in that day. But with 10 hours, you may want to do them back to back, or you can even do 10 every 30 minutes. But it's all about getting it all over with, the 100 a day. All right, people, it is 9:50, round three. Let's get started, but let me show you this time first. All right, people, it is 9:52. I'm a couple of minutes late, but that's okay. You see, it's Wednesday, March 4th. It's time to get started for round three. Round three, here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, people, it's time for round four. The time is 10:50. Let me turn this camera around so I can show you the time on my phone. The next time you see me, I might not be here when I do my push-ups on the spot, but we'll get it done for you. All right, people, there it is. You see it's 10:50, Wednesday, March 4th, round four. Let's get it started. All right, round four. Here we go. Eight, 9, 10. Now remember, I might not be here when I get my next set, but we gonna get it. All right, it's 12:50, and you can see it is still Wednesday, March 4th. So let's begin. Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
5. 8, 9, 10. All right, we'll try to be on schedule next time. All right, people, it's that time again. As you can see, I'm a few minutes off, but it's still all good for that 150. This is the 6th set. Let's get it in. Round 6. I'm at my mom's. Here we go. Let's keep it going. All right, people, it is 2:50. It's time for round 7. As you can see, it's Wednesday, March 4th still. So let's get to it. Round 7. Round number 8. All right, 2 more to go. All right, people, I missed that 350 shot, but here goes the 451. This is round 9. You see it's Wednesday, March 4th. Let's get started. All right, folks, as you can see, the time is 5:56. I missed the 5:50 mark. It is Wednesday, March 4th still. This is 10, our last and final round. And let's go ahead and get to it. All right, folks, I hope you hung in there. This is the last round. I'm sorry I missed a couple of hours, but I did make them up. I just didn't do my hours back to back, but it's going to be a little bit noisy in there. The wife and the kids are all home now. It's kind of chaos. I'm going to try to get this video in and make them sit aside or something so they don't be jumping in my video. But we're going to get this done and see you at the end. All right, number 10. And this is your 100 for the day.
It's still installing. It looked like, sound like it's still installing, like it's still loading. It's selecting whichever one.
All right, folks. Congratulations if you stuck in there. That's our 100 a day. I'm sorry for the noise. I told you it was going to be chaos. Everybody's home now. But anyway, remember, the main goal is to do 100 a day. You don't have to do it all at once. You can do it 10 an hour. You don't even have to do the hours back to back. We're going to work our way up to getting the whole 100 in at one time. In the meantime, thanks for watching.
Yeah.